had to stop and take a minute because this is by far the best road that we have ever driven. Morning. Last night was a bit shambles, being that we probably left out a little bit late to book accommodation. So all the places we were thinking about staying around Anna Bay were booked out. I mean, it was a Saturday night, so I feel like that was probably pretty stupid of us in hindsight. Anyway, we ended up staying at some little place close to the motorway. It was pretty average, but it was fine, you know, like it was all good. Now we're on the road, and the first stop is the sand dunes. We're gonna go quad biking. I've quad biked before in the past a lot, Jess never has, so it's going to be an experience. I'll try and go for some of it. We do have a pretty cool driving road to do today. We've got a fair bit to do today, and this road is destroyed. Oh my god, it is not great. Yo, bang, coffees, how good. So we went
quad biking.
Yeah, on the sand dunes. I was mad, to be honest. That was really fun. I was concerned it was gonna be like too slow. They were all like, you know, you gotta follow the leader, blah, 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 but we're actually fanging it. So went down some dunes, got some footage, pretty pumped. Now it's time to do some driving in the Evo. So we're currently in Raymond Terrace, where we just kind of had lunch. Now we're gonna drive to Gloucester. So the next driving road is Thunderbolts Way. Instead of doing the whole thing, we're kind of gonna go directly north from where we are, which will put us in Gloucester, and then we're gonna do Thunderbolts Way back towards the coast. So that's the plan. We're meant to be staying in Diamond Head tonight, which is north of there. We're meant to be camping, so it's gonna be interesting because I'm still sick. But we'll work it out.
Yeah, we need to figure out dinner.
And we've got to work out where we're going to have dinner. But I think the plan now is literally drive to Gloucester. It's an hour and 15 minutes, 100 Ks. Get there, do the driving road, and then just see where we come out, what time it is, what's going on.
Yeah.
That's the play.
This is probably a good time to mention that although I spent most of this video thinking we'll be doing Thunderbolts Way, we're actually completing the full length of the Buckets Way, which runs from near Raymond Terrace north to Gloucester and then turns east back towards the coast. Thunderbolts Way is actually an 189km drive from Gloucester heading north to Uralla, which is a little south of Armadale. Since we didn't get it in on this trip, it's definitely on the to-do list for next time we head north from Sydney.
So we're currently driving through Stroud. This is Buckets Way on the way to Gloucester. It's really nice out here. I think this is kind of surprising both of us. It's really green. The road's pretty good. There's some spots where we definitely hit some potholes, but it's really nice out here. We're in Gloucester, I think. Is that how you say it? Gloucester? Gloucestershire? I don't know. Anyway, we're here. We are at the football field. Just tested the drone, which was nice. Nice open space to test it out for the first time.
Now, we get to do the driving road of today. We're doing Thunderbolts Way. Now, we are halfway up the road already. I'm not sure if it's exactly halfway, but it feels like halfway. Gloucester town, Thunderbolts road goes through it. Thunderbolts Way goes through it. We're not gonna do the whole thing because we don't really have time, so we thought we'd do Buckets Way on the way here, which was awesome, by the way. Few like patches where the road was like pretty rough, but for the most part, it was such an enjoyable drive. I'm glad we went that way. So we are now gonna go from Gloucester back towards the coast. I think we come back out to the motorway around Nabiac, I feel. We're camping at Diamond Head tonight, so it's about an hour and 40 minutes drive total there. It is now 2:30, so we do have to get hustling. Hopefully it's a good driving road. Touch wood, the Evo is living the dream. It's running perfectly, not a single problem. It's so much fun. I'm having so much fun. I know Jess is as well. This has been like, this is only day 2 and we are loving this. This is awesome. Might be saying something different after camping tonight, but we'll see. But without further ado, Thunderbolts Way. All right, so turns out I messed up. The road going to the coast from Gloucester is actually the Buckets Way as well. It's a loop. So we've done the first half of it. Not bad, but let's just get it because it still looks fun. So we're leaving Gloucester, heading to Diamond Head campgrounds via the other side of the Buckets Way. I'm kind of confused, but I think we're heading east, so I'm happy. Let's get it. fucked up. We're at the Kupanock Hotel, and I was like, we'll go in. I was like, I feel like having a beer. I never have a beer. I was like, we'll get a beer. Sit down, have dinner, I'll be mad. So we go in, see the dude. I'm like, I'll get a Great Northern. Like, cool, he's pouring it up. I'm like, oh, do we order dinner here too? He's like, oh yeah, it starts at 6. What time is it?
Not even 5.
It's not even 5 yet.
4:46.
And we're in a hurry. We're gonna eat early and then go.
Because we just thought about that.
And now I have a beer that I don't really even want anymore. Because I was like, that'll be mad with dinner. And now I don't know where we're gonna eat. And Jess hates it. So anyway, that's a fuck up. Should have asked first.
Yeah.
I mean, it is early, like,
Yeah,
but like, dinner at 5 o'clock is not crazy. Anyway, it's a nice spot here. It's on the river. I like it. Good vibe.